This lesson is going to look at how Sage CRM allows a user to work with and then manage documents. And we're going to look at how a user can merge customer data with document templates, track documents within the documents folder, drag and drop documents into Sage CRM, and use the shared document library. Now I'm logged on into the system as Susan May. I'm using a default demo system and I'm looking at a list of opportunities. Now imagine if I need to send a brochure to one of the companies listed here, so I can click on that company's name, and what you can see is that I've opened up the record and now I'm within the company context. The documents associated with this company will be shown within the Documents tab, and you can see on this screen that I can now start the merge process. I can either merge to an editable Word document or to a PDF file, and of course a user may not see the merge to Word document button because that all depends on their rights, and those rights are controlled by the system administrator. The screen also has the feature that allows documents to be uploaded to the library and associated with this entity. Now please note that I'm using Chrome, and this screen will be slightly different if you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox or Safari. Check the documentation for a complete discussion of the behavior of different browsers. Now I could always start the merge process from the new menu, and here I've chosen to merge to PDF. I was in the company context, so the files that I see here are the files that are designed for use with the company entity, and how to create templates as discussed in another lesson. Now I'm going to select the Panoply Customer Letter template. I can review the template contents, and if I scroll down you can see how the fields to be merged from Sage CRM data have been included within the document. And at the top of the page the buttons allow me to either merge and continue or to preview the merge, and here I'm going to preview, and the preview merge starts, and the pop-up preview window allows us to review the record that the created document would look like. So I can now go ahead, merge and continue, and this starts the merge process. And from now on I can decide whether or not I want to create a communication record to record the fact that I've generated a letter to this customer. I could just go ahead and view the document, and I'll do that in a moment. So I'm going to click on continue, and I can now add the details to explain the reason why the letter was sent, and once I've added the details I can click save. Now the task is not shown on the page because by default the communications are filtered to only show pending items, but this can be changed to show the completed tasks, and here this now shows the record of the merge. It's at the top of the list. There's a letter out, and there's also a paperclip that would allow me to directly hyperlink to the file. And the file of course is a PDF, and depending on how your browser is set up, the file may be downloaded or it may pop up as it's done here, or open in another tab. Now I've closed the tab and returned to the browser tab that contains Sage CRM, and if I click on the document tab or on tab menu option for documents, you can see that I can now see the document that I've just created. There may be other documents that a user needs to store against the company, and all of the main entities in Sage CRM allow documents to be stored against them, whether those are persons, opportunities, cases, etc. And if I need to upload another file, and it might be that you want to upload something like a non-disclosure agreement that was scanned and saved as a PDF, here you can do that. All you need to do is click Add File, and then select the file or files that you want to open, and then here you can see that I've just zoomed out to show that the file is now ready to be saved into Sage CRM. And once I've filled in the details I can now save the file, and this file with the merged letter is in the document library of the company, and some files are needed not just for a single company but are relevant for everything in the system. So I can now look at the shared document feature. The system shared documents are found underneath the My CRM menu, and all of the files here are added as resources that everyone can use. But not everyone can add documents to this common global library. That's the job of the system administrator and those info managers who have been given certain rights. But if the document is needed, this is a great central repository, and when emails are sent from the system, the files here can be selected and included automatically. And there are other lessons that discuss how we can work with shared documents in emails and how mail merge templates can be created.